Incremental routines. Today I have something really fascinating to share with you. It's one of the things that it is a feature or a bug. So I will be using both of my computers. I changed the theme so it's easier to tell which computer I'm using each time. So this that you are seeing now is my desktop. And here I have my laptop. That's actually my collection in its latest state. Gotcha. What I discovered is when I go and import something, in this case I will using Longman. So the feature or bug is when you are importing. And I will use Pleasurable Learning. Gotcha. In this case I only have this, let's say that enjoyable. Okay, I select enjoyable, I open a new tab, and I also want to import enjoyable in my collection. Something that gives you pleasure. Okay, they are related to each other. So I go here, I import both. Okay, I will importing even if it's a duplicate for the sake of the video. So as a child, okay, enjoyable, all good. So notice that it's imported. There's a slight difference here. I don't know why. I have more stuff that I have to get rid of. For whatever reason, the import is not exactly the same, but that's actually not the point of this video. Is the import is all good. Gotcha. Now what will happen? I have enjoyable and pleasurable, but if I leave this selected, just this, enjoyable is selected. So if I import it again, look, only the selected text is imported. Is that a bug? Is that a feature? I don't know, because if I try now on my computer, so I will try to do the same with my desktop. So if I have pleasurable and enjoyable, I will skip the usual import and let's go with the enjoyable selected. So now I have selected text. Let's import that, check as a child, and import. Oh, weird. Well, it looks different because I don't have the template in this collection here. But the point is that I have everything. Everything gets imported, even though, oh, it was not selected, or it gets deselected when I import. Let's check that. Now I make sure it's selected. Import again. Yeah, for whatever reason, this bug or feature is not happening on my desktop, only on my laptop. So my guess is that there's at least one setting on Internet Explorer that I'm missing. So here I have something that is different. I don't know what it is. If I had time, I will be going one by one to match what I have on the laptop to see what's different. So what is causing this difference? If the issue is Internet Explorer to begin with. So even now, if I cannot tell you what setting you need, at least, okay, let me go back to my laptop. I can use this to my advantage. So let me use another example. In this case, Merriam. Sometimes I look for words here that are not found on Logman. Oh, there are examples, real examples of usage. So this is not a dictionary example sentence, but a real use in the media and so on. So what I can do is I will select recent examples on the web, and I don't care about the rest, because if I do the import, I will have all the information, all the toolbar, the word of the day, that, and so on. So I can take this back as a feature. So now if I go and I import from Merriam with the selection, look at that. Now I lost the formatting. I don't have the template here, but you get the point, right? I only care about those examples. So it's like importing all the article and then getting rid of everything that I don't care about. I can kill two birds with one stone, and this applies to anything. So let's go to Wikipedia. So here I have the Wikipedia page about pleasure. But let's say that that's an overkill of what I want. You have so many things. Oh my god, there's no simple instance of learning in the pleasure wiki page. Okay, let's pretend I only care about the cognitive biases. So I will select this before the import. For whatever reason, in Wikipedia seems to not work. It's importing the entire thing. So now, my conclusion is that for whatever reason, doesn't work on Wikipedia. So there's something that certain pages you get only imported what is selected currently. More inclination to think it's actually not a feature, but a bug, because it's not consistent. It is consistent within the same web page, so it only works with Longman and Merriam. I take this to my advantage. So if I only care about example sentences or something in particular, I can just select that and before importing, and that's it. I do less work. Why this happening? No clue. If you know what is the cause, please let me know. What is the setting on Internet Explorer or in the computer or in SuperMemo that is different? Because I am not able to reproduce the issue on my desktop.